Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Gargoyle Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off by drawing the eyes. Let's start with a circle for the first one. Then let's move over to the left and slightly higher, and let's draw a curve down. And then another curve on the other side to close it off. And then let's color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. On top of the left eye, let's bring it up and curve it over to the right. Now above the eyes, let's add the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, let's draw an angle down and bring it back up. And then hop over, and on top of the right eye, let's draw a curve. Now for the inside line, let's angle it up and over to the right. Then let's add a curve down and then a bent line to close off the end. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's add the ear. We'll start with a curve down and on an angle. Then from the top, let's bring it down. And then a slight S-shaped curve to close it off. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw the mouth. Let's start under the eye and let's draw a curve down. Then an S-shaped curve in and to the right. Next, underneath, let's add the teeth. Let's draw a pointed shape underneath the left and then one on the right. And then let's close off the bottom of the head by drawing a curve over to the right and bringing it up. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop to the top and add the horns. Let's start on top of the ear and let's draw an angle up. And then let's draw two curves coming up and to the right, forming a point. Now let's hop on top of the head on the left and let's draw another two curves up for the other horn. And then inside each one, let's add three curves. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and to the right and draw the wings. Let's start on the bottom right next to the ear and let's draw a curve down. Then for the ends, let's draw an S-shaped curve up from both sides like this. Then let's bring it out and curve it down to the right for the top of the wing. And the same thing underneath, bringing it down to a point. Now from the inside of the wing, let's draw two bumps down and out, and then bring it up at the end. Then a small line out, and then two large curves to close it off. And lastly, for this wing, let's draw a small triangle inside. And that's it for the first wing. Now let's move behind and draw the other one. Let's start on the top next to the left horn and let's draw a curve over to the right, behind the other horn and down. And then do the same thing underneath. Then to finish off the bottom of the wing, let's start next to the ear and draw a curve up and down. And that's it for the wings. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and curve it over to the right. Then let's angle it up and curve it back up into the wings. Now inside, let's move over and let's draw a curved line down and wave it over to the bottom right. Now let's move over on the right side and let's add the tail. Let's draw 2 diagonal lines down and out, like this. And then close off the end with an angled line. Now for the end of the tail, let's start on top and let's draw a small curve over and then curve it back in underneath. And lastly for the tail, let's add 3 curved stripes inside. And that's it for the body. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start underneath the body on the left side and let's draw a curve up and back down. And then close off the bottom like this. Now let's draw the second foot in the same way to the right and slightly lower. Then for the third foot, let's draw it under the body by drawing 2 curves down and a curve across. And then one last foot on the right side here. And that's it for this cute gargoyle pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!